training part, you guys go for that and you invest 60 to 80,000. Second is you invest 365 days. Number three, people from different zones, rural areas, small towns, they come to mega cities, stay for one completed and prepare. That is 1.5 lakh lodging, boarding expenses. And then your qualifying examinations, that is CAT, ZAT, MAT, NMAT, SNAP, or maybe many other exams. So there is a costing for each exam. You guys are
Can't hear
noting
you.
important case study. This is going to be asked in your exams as well. So that is why I'm just trying to give you a brief about this. What exactly is the journey of CAT aspirant? So ultimately, you invest three good steps, and our fourth is your qualifying exam. You purchase the forms, you fly from Delhi to Maharashtra or maybe from Indore to some other place. You give your exams, you travel, you stay, you eat. Let us say 30,000 on minimal grounds. And then once you get your percentile, whether it is 30, 40, 50, 80, 90, your hunt for colleges starts, and that is again you fill forms of dozen of colleges, you apply, you fly, you give your GDPIs, and again minimal 30,000. Now, Mr. Joy, I would like to ask you what is the total expenses?
Roughly 3-4 lakhs.
Roughly 2.9 lakhs, let us say, okay? So,
Yes.
Shiv, I believe आपको भी शायद clarity हो रहा है ये investment 2.5 lakh aspirants करते ही करते हैं. Exceptions are there. थोड़ा कम थोड़ा ज़्यादा, right? Just
Yes.
correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So ultimately what happens in case the aspirant is not getting the proper college, so multiplied by 2 plus frustration, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
important is this investment is leading towards uncertainty. Okay, always remember that you are not certain about your percentiles, neither your colleges. So ultimately, now next 10 minutes we'll be discussing only on the certain process. So regarding this, would you please share, Mr. Joy, some preference colleges what Ayush must have guided to you?
Yeah, so I have asked about SCM HRD, that is Symbiosis, and also for BIMM, that is Balaji Institute of Management, Modern Management.
Okay, you have for Balaji and Symbiosis. Perfectly okay. शिव आप बताएंगे बेटा आपका क्या प्रेफरेंस था?
मैम
अभी
सिम्बायोसिस पुणे.
भूल जाइए, परसेंटेज को भूल जाइए. ओके.
Yes, ma'am. Symbiosis Pune and SIIB Pune and SP Jain I have given, ma'am, and one more Soil Gurgaon.
Perfectly okay. Now, what is
Yes.
important, Joy? I see you have given Zat and Cat, but have you given Snap, my dear? Mr. Joy, have you given Snap?
No, I haven't.
Okay, and Shiv, have you given Snap?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So, dear, I told you in the beginning itself, I'll talk what is logical and what is possible. So, in case you have not given Snap, symbiosis is not possible at all. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We need to have the qualifying parameters, whether good or bad scores or average scores, but we need to have at least appear in the qualifying examination.
Appearance.
Appearance is important. Now, Joy and Shiv, please note down one list which I'm sharing with you. But now you guys need to be very smart and quick in taking decisions. Reason it is almost concluding phase of the admission process. Okay, all of you are aware CAT का result आपका Jan में आया था. This is August now. Okay,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
so I'm giving you some good and really reputed institutions. Number one,
Ma'am,
you can write
ma'am.
down.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. Can I take some pen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So you can write down SP Jan Global Mumbai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both of you can write down. I'm going to give you the best brands because reason, in case you talk to our counselors, maybe they're giving you some different list. But I'm just going to give you the best so that it's a time-saving approach. Okay, Joy and Shiv.
Yes, ma'am.
Number two, you can write down IFIM Bangalore. It's India, France, India, Mumbai, Bangalore. Really known for its IB program. Okay, Shiv, as
Yeah.
you were very keen, and Mr. Joy, IFIM Bangalore is amazing business school. Okay, as far as the faculties are concerned, placements are concerned, it's really good. So you can also write on IFIM Bangalore. Number 3, you can write IMI. When I say IMI, Delhi seats are exhausted now. You can get Kolkata option. IMI is a very reputed brand. I believe I need not tell you what is the weightage of IMI. So it can be IMI Kolkata for both of you. Number 4, you can write down, as you have shared, Soil School of Inspired Leadership, Gurugram. Yes, you can write down in your list. Number 5, you can write down Bharti Vidyapeeth, Pune. As Mr. Joy, you were keen for Pune, right?
Yeah.
And Ajinkya D.Y. Patil, Pune. Now, what is important, Joy, for you? I'm very confident we can really help you in grooming and profiling and get you through some great institutions from this list. Okay. So, what is important? We certainly initiate the process. I'm just giving you the gist of the process. Let us say today is day 1, and we take all the 5 to 6 preferences for you guys. Okay. Then you will be groomed by our profile building team for 2 days, and then ultimately you will be facing university officials. Okay.
Yes.
And when you face university officials, there will be, aptitude test from these universities. There will be writing skills analysis, that is case studies and essay writing in front of camera. Number 3, GDPI rounds over Zoom sessions or any virtual platform. So within 7 to 10 days, you get your offer letters for at least 2 to 3 from this list itself. Okay. So Mr.
Yeah.
Joy and Shiv, is it clear to
Yes.
you guys?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So do you think it's amazing, or because what we talk is certain?
That's good, ma'am. It's very helpful actually.
Okay. So we need to understand now. Here, see, Joy, you were sharing something about, your Goa Institute, right?
Yeah.
But let me tell you cannot lose time. Now, if you guys go directly and approach any institution, you will be facing rejection. Reason? They have their own parameters. They have
Yeah.
rejected people at 90 percentile also. Even Bangalore College is having 86 to 90 percentile cutoff. So ultimately, we cannot lose time. We have to go with a quick process. But it's important that the company is going to work on your profile and project it to the best possible,
Yes, ma'am.
way towards these universities, and we have amazing collaboration with these institutions. Okay, I would
Yes.
have shared MDI also, but now the seats are exhausted, and even for these colleges I can see only few seats left out on the screen. So you guys have to go very fast. But now let me just tell you brief. Joy, if I talk of SPGen Global, next 1 minute, and then we'll come to the process. What is SPGen Global? Number 1, you complete a proper MBA degree in 12 months. Please write down. You save your time. Number 2, it's an international degree. It's an Australian business school. It's not Indian business school. So it works on the global curriculum. Number 3, your degree will be SPGen Global MBA from SPGen Global Sydney. Okay.
Understood.
Number 4, the campuses of SPGen, it was, okay, before coming to campus, let's tell you the financials. It's something around, after 12 months, you go for 4 months internship and you're getting 60 to 80,000 per month as your internship amount. And after 4 months, you complete your entire program, and the placements are something around 15 to 30 LPA on average. Reason of the great placements are they have amazing campuses in Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, and Mumbai. Okay. So,
Understood.
so you can very well imagine Dubai, Singapore, Sydney. When I talk, these are great countries, right? So ultimately, you have amazing exposure. And in general scenario, what is the practice? It's 4 months of travel towards Dubai, then Singapore, then Sydney, and then you complete your program. But in that scenario, the program is something around 30 to 40 lakhs. Now, the point is, what is really good for you guys in COVID-19, now you have to stay in Mumbai for 12 months and complete the program, number one. You're not required to leave Mumbai campus. You can stay in Mumbai and complete. Number two, the financials are cut down with great scholarships. It is only 18 point something plus your taxes, that is GST, it comes to 22 lakhs something around. Okay?
Yeah.
So don't you think it's amazing because you're saving time, you're getting good program, good international degree, great placements. And in case you are willing to go to Dubai, Singapore for 4 months, the program is flexible. You can anytime get the permission and move ahead. Okay?
Understood.
Now what is really good, you have, see, I have mentioned this to both of you, but ultimately, in case in aptitude test, Joy, you get really great scores, we can help you with 5% scholarship, that is 2.5 lakhs. Okay?
Okay.
In case you're really able to crack good scores in your PI round, in your writing skills, in your aptitude test, which I'm pretty sure that you will be. And Shiv, आप भी थोड़ी तैयारी के साथ आएंगे तो hopefully you will also crack good scores. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
totally depends on you guys how you are going to perform. Yes, it is possible, but in case you don't lose time. So now I'll invite